Hare Krishna. These days, any place we go, people are arranging a lot of varieties of food. But the easiest way they are finding to feed you is in paper plates. You have these stupid paper plates which are being circulated in the market, and you don't even think about it whether I should eat in that or not. If you really observe, they are not paper plates, they are plastic plates. And not only just plastic plates, they are the kind of plastic which will 100% get you cancer. Especially when you eat anything hot or anything very cold. Either ways, when the plastic melts, its ingredients go. Many people are making videos, but you're not understanding. Even in devotional places, people are just giving paper plates, and these paper plates are very dangerous, right? So what you should do? You carry your own plate. Oh, where should I wash it? I'll tell you a very simple trick. You have this dabba in which you keep chapatis, right? They have a lid also on top of that, and sometimes you can also fix it. That kind of box you buy, which is big enough and which also has a lid on it, right? So you take this, keep it in your bag whenever you're going. You might think, what will they think? What will they think? Forget about it. You think that if you eat in that kind of paper plate, you'll get cancer. So better take that thing with you, and whenever you go to a party, unhesitantly open that, keep the lid below, ask them to put everything that they want to, or you can take it in that, eat it nicely, and you don't even need to wash there. Just put the lid, close it, bring it home, and wash it. So even for the person who is providing you food, he also will not have a tension where to wash all those plates. Your plate, you take it home, and little water, you can wash it later. And another thing, you will not even waste food. These days, what happens? People take a lot of food on their plate, they eat a little, they throw the rest because they don't want to eat now. Because by mistake, you took more. But if you have a plate which has a lid which is locked nicely, you can actually take it to your house and you can eat in your house later, or you can take some for your, somebody in the house. If you're not feeling like eating, you can take it home and eat at a different time. So use your intelligence. Try to use your intelligence for taking decisions which will stop you from diseases instead of just being like ignorant, eating in those paper plates. Not good. Please avoid. Hare Krishna.